Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Harborview and we're going to give you a tour of the construction taking place at the Harborview shopping plaza or the Harborview plaza. Now Harborview is an ideal location. It is right at the entrance, the highway to the southern coastal highway that takes you to St. Thomas and Portland. And when you leave the airport, Harborview is the first area you're going to come upon. It is a large residential area. And this plaza is the commercial hub of the area. Now, for a plaza to be successful in Jamaica, you need three things. You need a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket, which is under construction on the left. That is where they're putting a Shoppers Fair. And the entire plaza is being renovated. Some of these stores have already been upgraded. And this is a Shoppers Fair supermarket that's being built. And they will pave over the road and put in the white lines for the parking, but the construction is still ongoing. And they're putting in some gates to get into the plaza. Now, this plaza actually has two sides. So this is the side with the Shoppers Fair and other shops. And on the other side now is where you have the food stores. So for a successful plaza in Jamaica, you need three things. A large brand name supermarket, which is being built on the left. These are the gates, new gates that they have put in. And you need food stores. And you need to build it in a populated area. And as we said earlier, Harborview has a large residential community. Harborview is actually one of the largest residential communities in Jamaica. And on this side now, you're going to see the food stores. They also have two gas stations here, both of which are total gas stations. So on the right, you have Burger King, then beside it, you have Pizza Hut, and then Tasty Patties, and on the left, you have KFC. So they have the food options covered. So this is a very successful plaza in Jamaica, very busy plaza. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.